back. It's time to turbo the B7S4. Yes, it's already turboed, but we'll be taking the majority of the old setup off. And I'm going to go and do a series now of how I go about turboing the B7S4, which applies to the B6S4 as well. So outside of a few small things like the crash bar and shit that I cut up before, I'll cover the majority of it, which is basically the exhaust all the way back and then the piping from the turbo to the engine. But yeah, let's get this started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is unplug the O2 sensors. Easy shit. By the way, I fucking hate these things. So this is a brand new fucking coolant res. And it just, you know, doesn't quite fit the same as the other one. Fucking annoying. The main thing is I can never get it to fucking unhook itself easily from the stupid little things on the back, which is crazy. Crazy, crazy. God damn. Don't know why that one's such a bitch. Now it's all bent out of shape. Anyway. Maybe I'll file some more of it down. Alright, that's really it for the top for right now. Alright, let's get underneath. Alright, we're under here. We're under here. So, take the downpipes off, those wonderful 3 bolts. Factory hanger locations. All the way down here. I'll probably do disconnect from these flanges, but the back 2/3 will probably come down as one piece. Just easier that way. So let's get that started. Alright. Oh, these spiders. They're fucking everywhere. They just find homes every time. Never fucking fails. Go away. Come in the garage for like 4 days. Let's see what it gets. Alright, under here we got a number of things. This is the EGT. Apparently I had a little bit of some wheel seepage. Alright. Where are you? There you go. Get this spring off of here. There we go. These things, forceps, fucking awesome. Those things are great. Fucking hate turbo blankets with all their damn fiberglass to get you on you, but that's what it is. Anyway, pop this guy loose. Oops, wrong way. This fitting's just a stainless steel 1/8 MPT with a compression fitting on it. I think on the gotta take this off. I gotta loosen all that up because that's in the way, so I can't just pull the AGT probe out. No big deal. Yeah, I put my screwdriver. I just had that bitch. Am I tripping? Oh yeah, I'm tripping. Okay. Take this guy down. Loosen this guy up. Come. There we go. Boom, bam. Done and done. Cool fucking beans. Alright, take that off and can't remember what size this guy was. Feet off. Feet off. Done. This guy right here, favorite tool in the whole wide world. Little flex head 17 I got specifically for this. It cost me like $5 on Amazon or some shit. But anyone who works on 4-bolt flanges knows it's kind of a pain in the ass to get to that one fucking bolt. So you just fish this guy up there like that. Oops. Get him on the bolt. Bada bing, bada boom. Take a little 3/8 extension. Go. If you need more of an extension, make sure you get more of an extension, which I probably will. Right now. Okay. That's done. That's done. So, exhaust clamp pliers, anybody? No, y'all don't use those? Shit, I do. I fucking do. Because of the weight of this particular turbo. Well, really the Borg Warners, I should say. The Borg Warners. Put a clamp here to keep this rubber hanger from stretching and stuff. Useful. That's through there. Before I drop this, I'll make sure I've disconnected everything that's on port type. You know, like fucking wastegate plugs. Alright. There's my 4-port wastegate, my wastegates. There we go. Just getting those guys. There we go. Good shit. Alright. Got the one hanger right down there in the middle. I'll pop that off and all this guy will drop. Thank you, ma'am. All right. This and this. Get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. All right, guys. So. Here's the exhaust side. For that 2750, you're getting the downpipe section, the mid section, the rear section. I'm keeping the muffler. I'm keeping that tip, but you're getting this pipe. Put whatever tips you want on there. You get that turbo. Remember I told you, it does need a rear seal. You can see it's all glazy and shit. But other than that, I've taken these housings off. Alright? There's no appreciable play along the axis that has any concern. I can pull it out, turn it, it's not hitting anything. It does need that rear seal replaced, or it could have just been that my scavenge pump there, because I've had it for so many years, isn't keeping up anymore. Alright? It could be that the seals in this are perfectly fine, but you're getting it for a fucking deal, all this shit. Then of course, all that boost piping under there, you'll get that too. Okay? So, that's it. I'll put this guy up there. There we go. Alright. That's it for this episode. Part 1. Get the boost pipes off, get the exhaust pipes off, or well, get the O2 sensors off up top, get the exhaust pipes off. And boost pipes, they come off pretty easy. I'll probably do that, I'll catch that on video at another time. Stay tuned for part 2.